Hey friends, in this video we are going to unbox and review this NU Republic Skream 2, which is a 20-watt Bluetooth speaker. So let's move in. This is the box of the NU Republic Skream 2, and first we are going to read what's written on the box, then we are going to move inside the box. And I know what you're thinking, that how this box is this much crushed, but this was shipped to me by Amazon like this. I was expecting a good box, but they haven't done a great job in shipping. Like, they haven't put some cover onto it. There was a single bubble wrap onto it, and that didn't help it. So the box is pretty much crushed up from every corner. So let's see what's written on the box, then we are going to move inside the box. So as you can see, super bass stereo 2.0 and robust design. Over here some specifications about the speaker. At the back, super bass stereo 2.0 robust design, SD card support, Bluetooth 4.2, water resistant IPX7, that's a good thing. Ultra portable, as you can see over here. Signature sound, 20 hours of playback time, microphone with noise cancellation provided in this speaker, so you can pick up calls from this speaker. So as we have read what's written onto the box, then we are going to move inside the box now. So as you can see, there's a seal up over here, which is a great thing. So the first thing you get is the speaker over here, which is very portable. For a 20-watt speaker, it's very portable, and it's lightweight also. And the accessories in the box, yeah, so this is the accessories. So you get a aux cable like on other speakers, and you get your traditional charging cable, which is of great quality. And you get a warranty card, I think so, or this is the manual. Yeah, this is the user manual. If you want to read it, you can, like you see over here. This is the warranty stuff over here. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at the speaker. This is the NU Republic Skream 2 out of the box, and first we are going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, the whole speaker is very robust. Like you can see on the sides also, this is rubber. The back grill and the front grill is made out of metal properly. The sides are also made out of rubber over here. Everything around it is made out of rubber, leaving the grills over here. I feel like if the speaker falls down, the grill might get dented, but it's okay in my opinion. The speaker will still work. The design is very robust, and the fit and finish is top notch in my opinion. And the rubber used is not a soft touch rubber. This is a very hard rubber. That's why this feels very robust, and the weight of this device is also very lightweight, keeping in mind that this device is having such great materials onto it. And this is a very robust speaker. Like, if you fall the speaker also, you will not get any kinds of knickknacks on the speaker like you get on the Boatstone 700. We are going to do a special drop test and the water test of this video. If you want to see that, comment down below so I can make that video also for you. So friends, the build quality is too good in my opinion. The fit and finish is damn good. Everything is very well snugged in, and nothing is rattling. Everything is very well fitted onto the speaker. The materials used are very good, very premium. And friends, design wise also, this speaker is too good. Like, this speaker is a 20-watt speaker, and this is in such a small package. I think this might be the MIUI killer, but we are going to do the comparison also with the MIUI, so you have to wait for that video. I cannot conclude it the MIUI killer, but still, this is a 20-watt speaker in such a small package. As you can see, I can fit this speaker inside my pocket also. You can keep this speaker inside your bag also, and as you have this hook over here, so you can go for tracking anywhere with the speaker, because this is a very robust speaker. And the great part about this hook is this, as you can see, you have a rubber buckle to it where this gets hooked to it, which looks very clean. The design is superb. Like, they have thought on everything they are making on the speaker, so that's superb. And you can see over here, you have a cover on the ports of the speaker. And I have unboxed many waterproof speakers on this channel, but I have never seen this kind of thing written onto the cover, which is very important. Most of the people forget to seal up this side of the device where you have all the ports, so you have see this thing written onto the speaker itself. please seal up while in water. So that's a super part in my opinion by NU Republic. That's a great touch. So friends, now we are going to move to the feature list of this device. Features wise, you get each and every stuff you expect from a speaker at this price range. Like you get latest Bluetooth 4.2. This is a 20-watt speaker. You get this robust design over here. This is a IPX7 graded water resistant speaker. And another good part about this speaker is this, that you get a SD card slot also over here, so you can put in a SD card also, and this is the aux port, your charging port. And the best part about this speaker, like I have unboxed many speakers, but I haven't seen this kind of a feature in, not a feature, but the battery life on this speaker is damn good. It's written onto the box. It has having a playtime at 60% volume. It will give you a playtime of 20 hours as written on the box. And on the box it's written at full volume at 100%. It will give you a playtime of 5 hours, which is wrong a little bit, because it has come out that the playtime at 100% volume is about 7 to 7.5 hours at full volume, and the battery will take up to 5 hours to charge. The battery capacity is 3600 mAh, which is too good for this size speaker, which is damn good. Like at this price point, the battery capacity is too big in my opinion. And friends, with this kind of a design, you can fit a bigger battery, which they have done, and that's the best part about this design, and NU Republic has done it. The battery on the speaker is damn good. So friends, now we're going to move to the sound test of the speaker. I've connected the speaker to my OnePlus 5, and as you can see, the name of the song is Yala, and the volume from my device is full, as you can see. So I'm going to play this song. The bass is covered. As you have heard the speaker, now we come to a conclusion that the sound from this speaker is very clear. It didn't have any kind of distortion at full volume. Also, it didn't have any kind of distortion. As you can see over, you have a single LED up over there, and the charging LED is inside this. So you can see there's a LED over there for the charging. And friends, the great part about this speaker is the bass. As written on the box, the bass was damn thumping. You can feel the bass, it's that thumping. And at this price point, it's very good in my opinion. The loudness is very adequate for a 20-watt speaker. The bass is just terrific on the speaker at this price point, and this is a very portable speaker, so you don't expect that kind of bass through the speaker, but this gives it all. And friends, the great part about this speaker is that you get a whole kind of a package over here. This is a IPX7 graded water resistant speaker. You get a rugged speaker. This has a rugged kind of a design over here, and the build quality is also very top notch. The features are provided are too damn good at this price point. You get each and everything you expect from a speaker at this price point. So friends, if you want to buy this speaker, the links are in the description. Do check them out. There are not much colors of this speaker. There is only one color, so there are no color variations. That's the sad part, because if you get colors for this speaker, they might be good, but it's okay. So check the link in the description for all the details of this speaker. If you want to buy also, the links are in the description. Do check them out. Thank you for watching, friends. This is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the NU Republic Skream 2. Thank you for watching, friends.